The sight word is children able. Able. Two syllables children. Able. Able describes about the quality of a person or a thing, right children? So Ben is 5-year old, but he is already able to read and write. So the able word is describing about the quality, right children? So here the Ben is a boy, okay? Ben is 5-year old, but he is already. How to read this word? Already. Ready. Because Y is playing again. E sound here, children. Vowel. As a vowel, it is playing. Already able. Able to read and write. These three sight words you got it already. Ma'am taught you read and write. Right, children? So, Ben is 5-year old, but he is already able to read and write. Okay. Next. Ben is able to dance. Ben is able to dance. Dance. S is not there, but here the soft S we are getting, children. Dance. And is getting. Get. We got it in E word family, this word, children. Right? Get. Ting. Ing. Whenever you see ing together, these three letters, ing. If you see these three letters together, you need to read it as a ing. So, get, ing, getting, get, get, ting, ing, ting. So, whenever you see these three letters together, you need to read it as a ing. So, Ben is able to dance and is getting better. You all know in butterfly you got this half of the word, but there you got it like you, but here better, you got in this also like in E word family, better, T-E-R, better, and better. So in that way you need to read this word, children. Ben is able to ride. Again, look at here. E is silent here. Ride. Ride. His cycle. Faster. Faster. You need to pull the sounds together to make a word, children. Okay. Then, again, look at here. The, you all know very well. And sight word also you know. The and, then. The and, then. His friends. So, let's find out where is the able sight word in these sentences. Ben is 5-year old, but he is already able to read and write the sentences. You can add, children, that Ben is able to dance. And is getting better and better in dancing. Okay. Ben is able to ride his cycle faster than his friends. You all know now how to read faster and than. Faster, faster, the and than. Remember, whenever you see TH together, that becomes the, the and than. Okay, and here the ands, dance, and getting. I told you, ing becomes ing. Get, ing, getting. All, already, already, already. You know 5 year. This is the one word new. Okay. Ben is 5-year-old, but he is already able to read and write the sentences. Okay. The sentences. Ben is able to dance and is getting better and better. Ben is able to ride his cycle faster than his friends. In that way, you try to read whatever the tips ma'am given to read, that you have to put in your brain and lock it, children. Okay, let me rub this and quickly we'll move to the second sight word, children. Okay. The second sight word. These sight words, everything we are taking from that butterfly and the flowers story, children. Okay. Let me do the second. So the second sight word is butterfly, children. You all know, like we know how to syllabicate butterfly. And what is a butterfly, children? A butterfly is an insect which has a beautiful colored wings and it has 6 legs, right? And so let's write the sentences for the butterfly. I like butterflies. Okay, I like butterflies. Look at here, children. How to read this like, 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 like. Again, E is here silent. Like, ik, like, like. Okay, so this is a silent. I like butterflies. The life, again E is silent, children. In this life, E is silent. If, life, 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 if, life, life, span, span. You all know this an, right? Span, span. The life span of a butterfly is short. Short. The lifespan of a butterfly is short. Okay. Newly. Again, Y is playing as a vowel here. New. Newly. Newly. A newly born. 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 Butterfly can't fly. Means cannot fly. Okay. A newly born butterfly cannot fly. Can't fly. Whenever you see this apostrophe T, this is apostrophe, children. Okay. That we have to read it as a cannot or can't. Okay. So, a newly born butterfly can't fly. The next one, butterfly wings are colorful and transparent. Trans. Okay, break it here. Till this you read, then you read this. Okay. Trans. Trans. And. Transparent. Transparent. Butterfly wings are colorful and transparent. Okay. And butterflies taste with their feet. We all taste with our tongue, right, children? Correct? We taste with our tongue. But the butterflies taste with their feet. Okay? They taste with their feet. Butterfly lives on an all liquid diet. We eat solid things also, right, children? But butterfly will eat only liquids, like it drinks like honey, maybe, right, children? So butterfly lives on an all liquid diet. Diet means food. Okay. So let's find out where is a butterfly. I told you how to read the words. Please remember that. Okay. I like. E is silent. I like butterflies. Okay. So butterflies. The life span of a butterfly is short. Short. A newly born butterfly can't fly. Y is playing as a vowel here. Fly. Butterfly wings are colorful and transparent. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies lives on lives 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 on an all liquid diet. Okay, so we completed the sight words. Let's move to our recap and dictation time. Okay, children.